Okay. Then we have to write multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and it goes on. 92, 96, up to 100. Up to 100 means 100 will be included.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, out of this, multiples of 3 and 4, what are the numbers as a common multiple between them? What was the question? Common multiples, right? So we have to find the common multiples of 3 and 4. So let us find. What is the common here? First number is
12,
12. Second is directly 24.
24,
24,
Then
36,
36.
36,
36,
Then
48,
48.
48,
48,
Yes.
60,
60.
60,
60, 72,
72.
72,
72,
Then
84,
84,
84.
84, and
96,
And
96.
96.
96.
Now, can you see these are all the numbers which are common, which is less than 100? હવે એક વાત કહું જે પેલો નંબર મળે ને, for example, here the common is 12. And if we are comparing only two digit, so table 12, 12 no table જ આખો હશે જો 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. સમજાય છે? So you will be getting the difference of 12, 12, 12 as a common. Have you all understood what are the how to find the common multiples between two
yes,
numbers?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Chalo, question number
Yes.
5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Which of the following numbers are co-prime?
18,
Co-prime means what? Who will tell me?
so can I?
Yes. चलो बेटा. Hello.
Yes, sir, I am
Hello.
telling.
Sir,
Yeah,
can I initial?
sir, the common divisor,
Sir, can I try initial?
Yes.
sir, it
Sir,
is divisible by same only, like 1.
I gave you the example of 4 and 15. The common
yes, sir. Sir,
factors
which
of
has
4 and
only
15
one.
was 1 only. So the numbers which has only 1 as a factor, that two numbers are said to be co-prime to each other. So 4 and 15 are said to be co-prime to each other because there is no other common factor between these two numbers except 1. સમજ પડે છે? So every time we have to find the factors of both the numbers. 18 na factors કાઢો and 35 na factors કાઢો. Are you getting? 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come to the answer column. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Right? Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, and 35. 35 kaya table માં આવે? 1, 35s are 35. And next 5 7s are 35. બાકી કોઈ ટેબલમાં ના આવે 35. Okay. Now what are the common factors for all these both?
1.
1,
There is no other common factors. Can you see 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 નીચે નથી ને 5, 7, 35 ઉપર નથી. Yes or no? That means the given numbers 18 and 35 has a common factor as 1. Since both have only one factor, that is 1, therefore they are said to be co-prime numbers to each other. Any doubt here?
No,
Girls?
sir.
No,
No doubt.
श्योर ना बच्चे लोग?
Yes, sir. Very sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो same way factors of 15 and 37. Factor of 15 are what? 1, 3, 5, 15. That means 15 કેટલા ટેબલમાં આવે? 1 ના ટેબલમાં આવે, 3 ના ટેબલમાં આવે, 5 ના અને 15 ના. Right? Same way factor of 37. 37 factors are how many? 1 and 37. Now what are the common factors in between these two? Common factor is 1.
1.
Since both have only one common factor, that is 1, right? Therefore, they are said to be co-prime numbers. Any doubt for some B?
No, sir.
No doubt.
Please have a photocopy of this up to F.
Okay,
B
sir.
in F સુધી photocopy લઈ લ્યો જલ્દી. Chalo, these are the answers for question number 5. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
Question number 6. Chalo. Who will read this?
Can I
Alina Kholia?
Yes, Muskan.
Okay, sir. Question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible?
A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. એવા કયો નંબર છે જે 5 અને 12 સાથે ડિવાઈડ થાય અને બીજા એવા કેટલા નંબર છે જે 5 અને 12 સાથે ડિવાઈડ થાય? So 5 and 12 સાથે કયા નંબર ડિવાઈડ થાય? Get an LCM. આમ તો 2 સાથે કરો તો પણ all process will be 12 into 5 only. 12 5s are 60. So 60 is the smallest number through which 5 is also which is divided by 5 also, and which is divided by 12 also. Are you getting? 12 ones are 12, 5s are 60. 5 ones are 5, 12s are 60. समझ पड़ा है क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir. Understood.
And they are asking us by which other number will that number be always divisible. એટલે બીજા એવા કયા નંબર્સ છે જેના સાથે આ 12 અને 5 બંને નંબર્સ ડિવાઈડ થશે? So we can say 60 નો table. 61s are 60, 62s are 120. So 120 also divided by 5 also, and 120 can be divided by 12 also. Same way 63s are 180. 180 is also divided by 5 also, and 180 is divided by 12 also. समझ पड़े છે શું કરવાનું છે? Girls?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point what we have discussed here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Come to the answer part. Answer number 6. 5 into 12. 5, 6, 12s are 60. The number must be divisible by 60. 60 અને 60 નો ટેબલ આખો 5 અને 12 બંને સાથે ડિવાઈડ થઈ શકે. Any doubt here?
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt.
Chalo, question number 7. Alina will read.
Okay, sir. A number is divisible by 12. By what other number will that number be divisible?
A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will the number be divisible? એવો કયો નંબર છે જે ડિવિઝલ 12 ને ડિવાઈડ કરે છે and by what other numbers will it be divisible? તો 12 ના ફેક્ટર્સ જ 12 ને ડિવાઈડ કરી શકે? yes or no? what are the factors of 12? 12 ones are 12. Can I say 2 can divide 12? 2 6 are
2 4s are 12.
2 4s are 12 થાય હે કે 3 4s are 12 થાય?
No, sorry.
So 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Check the answer. Factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. We got this. Therefore the number also be divisible by 1 2 3 4 and 6. That means koi pan number, for example 60 is here, right? So 60 is divisible by 12. તેવા કયા બીજા નંબર હશે જે 12 સાથે જે 60 ને ડિવાઈડ કરતા હોય? તો ફેક્ટર્સ ઓફ 12 સમજ પડે છે? what are the factors of 12? 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. These all numbers also can divide 60. Is that clear? What is the question mean? જે નંબર 12 થી ડિવાઈડ થાય બીજા એવા કયા નંબર છે જે એને હેલ્પ કરે ઈ નંબર થી ડિવાઈડ કરવા માટે? So if the number is divisible by 12, 1 2 3 4 6 12 itself can divide that particular number. Is that clear? Anybody is having any doubt with this?
No, sir, no doubt.
Sure, Bachcha Party, sure.
Yes, sir, very, very sure.
Yes, sir. Very, very, very sure.
Okay, girls, chalo. So we have completed our exercise
3.5.
3.4. Yes, 3.4. Very good. We are going to go through exercise 3.5.
5.
5.
Yes, sir, sure, no doubt.
Okay, Bachcha Party. Chalo. Who will read this?
Sir, can I see that?
Yes, Sirat.
Sir, can I pass my name? Can I, Alicia? Sir, can I do him?
Yes, Sirat, please. Sirat.
Which of the following statements are true? A. If a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9.
If a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9.
No.
3 સાથે જેટલા નંબર ડિવાઈડ થઈ શકતા હોય, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 12. 12 is divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. But is it divisible by 9?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
first statement is
No,
false.
sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
હું ક્રોસ અને રાઈટ જ કરીશ,
Yes,
હા
sir.
ગર્લ્સ.
Sir.
ઓકે,
B.
ચલો સેકન્ડ.
B. If a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3.
Yes, right.
C. If a number
Any number which can divided by 9 is divisible by 3. Why? Because 9 itself is divided by 3. સમજ પડે છે શું કામ? Because 9 itself is divisible by 3. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
ચલો, some number C.
C. If a number is divisible by 18, it must be divisible by both 3 and 6.
Sir,
If
true.
a number is divisible by 18, it must be divisible by
True.
both 3 and 6.
True.
True. Okay, true. Lucky naiko bas. If a number is divisible, read kar beta.
D. If a number is divisible by 9 and 10 both, then it must be divisible by 90.
9 tens are 90. So 90 સાથે પણ થાય જ ને. 90 થી જે થાય જ ને. ચલો then
E. If two numbers are co-primes, at least one of them must be prime.
False.
it is not compulsory. For example, I gave you 4 and 15. 4 and 15 both are composite numbers. It is not compulsory કે એકાદો prime હોવો જ જોવે. Yeah, prime hoy, that means the co-prime is compulsory, but every number has to be prime in every one single thing is not possible. Okay? બંને composite number પણ હોઈ શકે, and then too they must be getting one as a common number. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
F. All numbers which are divisible by 4 must also be divisible by 8.
False.
for example 12. 12 can divide by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 cannot divide by 8. समझ पड़े છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, then
G. All numbers which are divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4.
True.
this can be true
True.
because 8 itself is divided by 4. So 8 ના જેટલા પણ ટેબલમાં મલ્ટિપલ્સ આવે, through what 8 can be which can be divided by 8 can divide by 4 also. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
H. If a number is exactly divides two numbers separately, it must exactly divide their sum.
Right.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
If a number is exactly divide two numbers separately, it must be exactly divide their sum. Right.
Yes, sir. True.
I. If a number is exactly divides the sum of two numbers, it must exactly divide the two numbers separately.
Wrong.
False.
Wrong.
False.
Wrong.
એનું ઊંધું પૂછે. If a number is exactly divides the sum.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Here are two different factor trees for 60. Write the missing numbers. We have to write the missing numbers, okay? 60. So can we say that 6 tens are 60?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 6 has 2. So 2 over here in question mark, what we have to write?
12.
2, 3.
2 3s are 6. So you got prime number here, you got prime number here. Very good. Then 10. 5 is written. 5 is prime number. What will be the multiplication of 10?
2. 5 is 10.
5 twos are
So you
10.
got your prime numbers as 60 here, all double lines.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Then 16 the other way. 60. 30 is written here. 30, how many are 60?
2.
2s are very good. Now 2 is prime number, so it is double line. There is no other execution. Can you see here?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Now 30. 10 is written here. 10, how many is a 30?
3.
10 3s are 3.
3 is prime number.
3
Now 10.
10s are
Both,
30.
both of there are question marks. So what to be written here?
5 2s are 10.
5 2s are
5 2s are 10. તમે આમ કરો તેમ કરો ઉપર કરો નીચે કરો the factors of prime factorization will be same. 2 3 5 2 5 2 3 2, all the factors will be same. સમજાય છે કે નહીં girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Understand.
કોઈને doubt છે આમાં?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No
No
doubt.
doubt.
No doubt.
Very good. Question number 3. Wait a moment, girls. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, girls.
Yes,
Who will
sir.
read this question? Who will read this question?
Can I meet Arfa?
Yes, bacha.
Yes, sir. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number?
Which factors are
Composite.
not included in the prime factorization? Which factors are not included in prime factorization, right?
Yes.
Of a composite number. Answer column.
Yes.
That is 1. What is the answer here?
1.
1. Have you all understood, girls, what to be written?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Chalo. Question number 4. Please read this.
Can I read?
Yes.
Write
Yes,
the
please.
Can I read
greatest
Meet Arfa?
4-digit number and express it in terms of its in prime factor.
Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in the terms of its prime factorization. Prime factors. Greatest 4-digit number is what?
9,999.
Barabar na? So greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. So let us go through with this. 3,333. So this you got prime number. There is nothing to do with this. Na lakho tohi chale. Now 333 is what? 1,111. 3 is again we got prime number. 1,111. 11, 101 za. So 11 is also prime number. 101 is also prime number. So the prime factorization of 9,999 are 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
If you want, you can have a photograph for question 3 and answer 3 and answer 4.
Sir, we have write only this way. No?
Yes, beta. Have you wrote?
Yes.
Chalo. Question number 5. Who will read this?
Sir, can I Muskan?
Muskan. Muskan, please.
Yes,
Muskan.
sir. Yes,
Wait a
sir.
moment. showing you
Okay.
question. Question number 5, please.
Yes, sir. Question number 5. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors.
Okay. Write the smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number?
1000.
4-digit is the greatest number, 9,999. Plus 1 kari nakho. So can we get 10,000 as the smallest 5-digit number?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े છે શું કર્યું સરે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, so now, what is the answer? The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. 2 5,000s are 5,000 is composite. 2 2,500s again we got prime number here. Then 2,500. 2,500s are 2,500. Yes or no? 5 5s are 25. We got prime numbers here. 10 10s are 100. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 for 10. Any doubt? What the tree shows? So the total
No,
factors
sir.
are, prime factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2. So 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So we have to write 4 times 2. See, it is written here. Then 5 how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times 5 we have written here. Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt. No doubt.
પાક્કું ને બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Papa.
Very good, chalo. Question number 6. You want to have a photograph for this? Okay,
Yes.
wait. I'll give you. Chalo, please have the photograph. આવી ગયું ને?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now you get this statement also. The prime factors for 10,000. Have you got it, girls?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it.
Sir, थोड़ा
Very
आगे
good.
करो.
Sorry? Upar.
हाँ,
Okay, get it.
thank you, sir.
Chalo, anybody has any doubt with this question number 5?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
No doubt.
No, sir,
Chalo.
no doubt.
No doubt.
Very good. Chalo, question number 6, please. Who will read?
Sir, can I mirror?
Mira Arfa, please go ahead. Mira Arfa, please read the question number 6.
Yes, sir. Find all the prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relation, if any, between the consecutive prime numbers.
Find all the prime factorization factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relations, if any, between two consecutive prime numbers. So answer is 1729. 7 247s are 13, 19s are, right? So the factors of 1729 are 7 into 13. 7 is prime number, 13 is also prime number, 19 is also prime number, right? So 7 into 13 into 19 are the difference of two consecutive prime. એટલે આ એકબીજાથી distance કેટલો છે? The factors is 6. The difference of this distance is 6. સમજ પડે છે શું કહેવા માંગે છે? Again, find all the prime factors. We have to find the prime factors of this, right? Arrange them in ascending order. એટલે નાનેથી મોટે arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relations, if any, between two consecutive. Two consecutive એટલે બાજુના નંબર. બાજુના નંબરનો ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલો આવે છે? 6 નો. અંડરસ્ટુડ? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Again, the prime numbers of 1729 are 7 into 247s are and 13 19s are. So 7 into 13 into 19. So the difference of two consecutive prime factor is 6. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
પાક્કું ના બચ્ચા પાટી?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Pakku.
Okay, chalo. Question number 7. Chalo, who will read question 7?
Sir, can I see that?
Sirat,
Yes, sir.
please.
The product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples.
The product of three consecutive number is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. Three consecutive number is what? ત્રણ બાજુના number, right? For example, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. એનો જે product હોય three consecutive number, there must be one even number and one multiple of 3. Thus, the product must be divisible by 6 or multiple of 6. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? What was the question? The product of three consecutive number is always divisible by 6. શું કહે છે? કે કોઈ પણ લાઈનમાં ત્રણ નંબર 1, 2 and 3. Product means what? Multiply. Are you getting? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 6 is divisible by 6. 6 1s are 6. Verify this statement with the help of some example. Can I say that this one is the first example I gave?
Yes.
So answer number 7, check it out. Among the three consecutive numbers, ત્રણ લાઈનના number, consecutive means sequence માં, there must be one even number, એક તો even number હશે જ, and one can be multiple of 3, right? Therefore, we can say that it can be multiple of 6. Example, 2, 3 and 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 24 is divided by 6? Yes. 4 5s are 20, 26 are 120. 120 is also divided by 6. All 3 in consecutive numbers. Line ma number hai. Anybody has any doubt with this sum?
No, sir. No
You can
doubt.
have a photograph of 6 and 7. Answer 6 and 7. Have a picture, please.
Yes, sir. Taken. Yes, sir. Taken.
Taken, Bachcha Party?
Yes, sir. Taken. मैंने screenshot.
Okay, chalo. Now, up till question number 7, we are living right here. Your homework is to complete all this exercise up till question number 7, exercise 3.5. Up till question number 7, you have to do all the sums one time in your rough book, and as you are doing regularly to your